What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. As always, it's your boy Bobby.
It's your boy Bob, your Bobby boy.
Get out of here, man. Today we're at John's house. As you've seen him in the videos before, he's the one with the Mazda Speed 3. We have nothing much going on, so we decided to take advantage and just take care of this.
We're installing mud flaps because that's what all the cool kids do.
Yo, so if you guys think that there's a purpose for installing mud flaps in a front-wheel drive car, like, what are you doing, man? Why are you even here?
Okay.
Why are you even a car enthusiast?
In all seriousness, mud flaps actually do help with rocks getting kicked up on the side of your car. Now I know it's not a rally car, but it does help. And we actually have some proof that rocks actually do damage to the side of the car. So we're gonna be installing these today to prevent that.
It's very
right?
flaccid.
Yeah, I know you have a problem getting it out. Cut! Add a little heater too. You need to warm up.
Oh, nice.
Just because you're a little bitch. Okay, step one. Begin by parking the vehicle on an even surface in time. Turn the wheel towards the side you're working on to gain wheel access area. So it's going to be the three of these from what it looks like in the instructions, and then this gets, if this is the right side, like that, and it gets like flipped on right there. And that's with the finished product. I don't want to do it completely tight yet because I still want to be able to move this up and down so I can align it with the rest of these.
Wow, man. That looks so subtle. Like it's not even there. You can barely see it. Still don't see what the point is, but
Shut the fuck up.
it's there now, guys. Alright, that's
One out of 4.
it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
So if you look down here, you can see where all the rocks get kicked up and stuff. So that's gonna prevent it. In order to do the back one, you have to take off the wheel. I undid the lug nuts first, and then now I'm jacking up and I'm gonna move the wheel.
Look at all these weird colors you got going on here. Red, green, yellow.
Yeah, because I actually have modifications unlike some stock ass guy.
TN.
They're Tane. Like lo mein.
Lo mein.
I actually looked this up. It's actually pronounced Tane.
Tane?
Yeah,
Who
like
pronounced Tane? Nobody pronounces Tane.
All in all, it probably took about like an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes without any, breaks or anything like that. The only problems I had was with the fronts. Couldn't get the clips out. I had to break them off, but it doesn't matter because you're going to be reusing their hardware, so that doesn't really matter. Another thing in the back was I just kind of winged it and I just drilled the holes and I just did it my way.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
I didn't follow the instructions. I made sure that I used a Sharpie to align everything the way that I wanted it to. So just got to be careful with that. And other than that, they look pretty decent. They close off the back. They're functional. And it's what the kids like. That's the number one reason why I did it. What you need first is an electric drill with a drill head on there. It doesn't really matter because you can always make the hole a little bit bigger. You're gonna need a ratchet with a 12mm and an 8mm, a pair of needle nose pliers, a Sharpie to mark where you're gonna mark, a clip remover, and then also you have a pair of cutters, a screwdriver with a Phillips head, and you also need a standard, and then also last but not least to remove the wheels. Oh yeah, and a jack. I was like, what jack?